Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivare, faculty of mathematics at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today I am going to teach you lesson 3 trigonometry of 11th class. Now, in this topic, first we should know what is radian and degree. What is the relation between radian and degree? So, here is the relation between radian and degree. This is pi, and this is the symbol for radian, small c. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation between radian and degree. Now, from this relation we conclude that 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi radian, and 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radian. Now, some question based on this topic. Question 1 is, convert 2 radian into degree. So the process is, we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. From this relation we conclude that 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 over pi degree. Therefore 2 radian is equal to 2 into 180 over pi degree. Now in this case we have to convert this pi in terms of 22 by 7. So replace this pi as 22 by 7. Now simplify this. 2 and 22 will cancel by 11 times, and this will be multiply, and we get this. Now after applying long division we will get this. This can be written in mixed fraction like quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So 114 degree plus 6 upon 11 degree. This degree is less than 1. So we have to convert this degree into its smaller unit. And the smallest unit of degree is minute. After the minute it will be seconds. So here is the relation. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. This is the symbol for minute. 1 dash. And 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Symbol for second is double dash. So 6 upon 11 can be converted into minute by multiplying it by 60. So after solving this one we will get this. Now divide this. After long division we will get this. So in this again write in mixed fraction. 114 degree, 32 minute, and 8 upon 11 minute. Now this minute is again converted into smaller unit, seconds. So again this will be multiplied by 60. And the next step, now again we have to perform long division method. So divide this like this. Now here we have to divide completely. 43.6 will be our quotient. So 43.6 can be written in round off figure. So 43.6 can be written as 44 seconds. So here is the final answer. 114 degree plus 32 minute and 44 seconds. Now next topic, relation between theta, L and R. What is theta, what is L, what is R? So by this diagram, theta is the angle subtended by arc at the center of the circle, and R is the radius of the circle. So here is the relation between theta, L and R. Theta equal to L upon R. In this case theta will be in radian, okay, because L is length, it will be in meter or centimeter, okay. Radius is also a length, okay. So in this case theta will be in radian. So question based on this, let us take one question. Find the angle subtended by an arc of 11 centimeter at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. So we have to find here angle. So theta we don't know, length it is given as 11, radius given as 100 centimeter. Here is the diagram. So again apply the relation. theta equals to L upon R. Put the respective values. So we will get this. This is the answer. Theta is 11 upon 100 radian. And if in the question it is mentioned that convert this into degree, then this process is again repeat. So here is the final answer. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.